Focus mode helps you stay productive by reducing distraction on your iPhone. To set it up, open Setting and tap Focus. You will see options like Do Not Disturb, Work, Personal, and Sleep. Tap one of them or create a custom focus mode. For example, choose Work. You can choose which apps and contacts are allowed to send notification. Apps, phone, for example, down. Choose people. You can also schedule focus mode to turn on automatically based on time, location, or apps usage. Time, location, apps usage. For example, enable work focus during office hour. On. On. Sip. With focus mode, you control when and how notification reach you, helping you stay focused and stress-free.